Yes, girls. I'm back on my screen. Can you see my screen?
Ma'am.
कुणाला आहेत तुला आहेत का?
Yes. Okay, so all of you write down this function. Y is equal to x cube minus 5x plus 17. X cube minus 5x plus 17. And the x values I have given are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let us construct the backward difference table. Okay. Backward difference table. All of you are writing it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. First value is 17. First y value is 17 at x equal to 0. So see, you can call this y as f of x also, right? We can call this as f of x also. F of x is equal to y. F of x equal to y equal to x cube minus 5x plus 17. Yes. Tell me for 1. For x equal to 1, what is the answer?
12.
12. Okay, 1 cube is 117 plus 1 is 18 minus 5. Array, 18 minus 5 is 13, na?
Ma'am, it's 30.
Yeah. Next, 2 cube is 8. 8 plus 17, 25 minus 10 is 15. Right? You have to tell me fast.
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 5x plus 17. Girls, you must write down this. I am going to put my video, lecture video. But in case in the video, if it is not visible, then only my audio will be there. Okay, if you can't, it sometimes it happens. Okay, the screen is not visible. So please do write what I am saying or what I am doing on the screen. 3 cube is 27. 27 plus 17 is 44 minus 15. 29.
Yes, ma'am.
इतने स्लो क्यों हो आप लोग? थक गए हो क्या लेक्चर में? This is 3. Okay. Now 4 cube कितना है? 64 plus 64. 61. Yeah. Now what is del y? This will be blank. Okay. The first place it will be blank, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
13 minus 17 is minus 4. 15 minus 12 is 2. Okay. Gradually my handwriting will improve on this, girls. This is the first time, okay, I'm using, okay, slate. Yeah. 29 minus 15 is 14. And 61 minus 29 is
32.
30.
32.
Next, these will be two blanks, right? Next, yeah, next 2 minus minus 4 would be plus 6. 14 minus 2 is 12.
12 and 18. 12 and 18.
Next, first 3 would be blank. Now this is again 6, 6. So what did you observe here again? What is the degree of the polynomial?
3.
3. And third order differences have become what?
Constant.
Constant. Third order differences have become constant, right? Yeah. And fourth order differences have become 0. So when you have,
0.
yeah. So it works like derivatives, huh? Okay. Yes. So have you understood both the operators, delta and del?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, there is no problem. Now can we see some results of differences? Okay. Write down some results of differences. So the first one is the differences of constant function are 0. That is, what does it mean? Delta C is equal to 0. Okay, so do you observe it here in this on this page? See, any difference of constant is 0, whether it is in del also, whether it is delta or del. Okay, whatever properties we are writing for delta, those are true for del also. So if you observe here, delta cube y is constant. देखा आपने यहाँ पे girls? Do you see del cube y is constant और
Yes,
उसका
ma'am.
difference कितना आया?
Yes.
Del of del cube is 0.
Yes.
So that is the meaning of this first property. The difference is obviously ना, suppose आपका ये function ऐसा है, देखो आपने function लिया है f of x is equal to 4, y is equal to 4, that is the line parallel to x axis. तो x की कोई भी वैल्यू ले लो आप, x is 0 1 2 suppose and y is 4 4 4. So what delta is going to be? Tell me, what is delta in this case?
0.
0. This is the meaning. Are you getting it? The differences of constant function are 0. Whatever value of x you take, the function is mapped to 4. Okay. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we will have the next property now. Next property. We will see now. See, so far we are talking about delta or del of one function, right? F of x, right? But if we have product of two functions and if we operate delta or del on that, what happens to that? Or if we operate delta on quotient fx upon gx, what happens to that? So these are some properties of delta and del. Okay, we are proving these properties for delta, but they are very much true for del also. Okay, so now I am going to see delta applied on fx into gx. Okay, there are two functions. I'm taking the product of two functions and I'm operating uh, delta on that. So I told you that delta is similar to derivatives, right? Differential operator d by dx. So just recall what is d by dx of uv. Do you remember product rule of derivatives? Anyone remembers product
Yes,
rule?
ma'am.
What is it?
Derivative of p
Yes, ma'am.
plus p divided
U into dv by dx.
dv by dx plus
plus
V
p
into
du by dx.
du by dx.
yes. That means you keep one function as constant and differentiate other plus second function constant and differentiate the first one. So this delta also works in the similar manner. Okay, delta also works in a similar manner. Delta fx into gx, that we will see, it is equal to delta fx into gx is equal to delta fx into gx is f of x plus h into delta gx. See, f of x plus h. Now when you apply delta, this f of x plus h enters in the definition of delta, right? Delta fx क्या होता है? Anyone can tell me what is delta fx?
Fx plus h minus f of x.
F of x plus h minus fx, right? So there is no need to wonder कि ये f of x plus h कहाँ से आया फॉर्मूला में. Are you getting my point? Okay. So let us prove this now. Delta fx
Minus f of x.
क्या minus? Yeah, f of x delta fx is f of x plus h minus fx आता है, right? सो ये जो है ना f of x plus h वो वहां से आया है डेल्टा से. Actually, we are going to prove this result, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
We just add the page. So what should be delta f of x into g of x? What should be delta? The original definition. What is the original definition of delta fx? Delta fx is f of x plus h minus fx, right? Now what should be delta applied on fx into gx is product pay. So this whole thing, if you call as capital fx, suppose, I will call it as delta of capital fx. So what is delta capital fx would be? What is delta capital fx?
F of x plus h
Capital
minus
f of x plus h minus capital fx, right?
yes, ma'am.
So what is capital F of x plus h now? If this is f of x, of capital F of x is f of x into gx. So what is capital F x plus h?
F of x into g of x plus h.
Nahi. What you have to do? You have to change the variable from x to x plus h, right?
Yes, ma'am, right.
So in place of x, you will write x plus h. F of x plus h into g of x plus h minus f of x into g of x, right? Are you getting it? Are you getting this definition?
Yes, ma'am.
Just replace the variable x by x plus h. And you have to replace that in small f and small g, both. Okay, and this is your fx, what is given to you. Okay. Now, we just want to make this convenient to remember. And we want to ultimately produce this, okay, this answer. F of x plus h into delta gx plus gx into delta fx. So क्या add or subtract करना चाहिए so that we will get this answer? See, what is delta gx? What is delta gx?
Of x plus h minus g of x.
G of x plus h minus gx,
G
right?
of x.
So, and this is common. F of x plus h common आना चाहिए into delta gx. हमारे पास क्या है यहाँ पे? What do we have here? We have f of x plus h into g of x plus h. हाँ.
Ma'am, actually somebody is unmute, so that's why your voice is not
अरे
clear.
who is unmute? Please mute yourself.
पावडा पाहिजे तेव्हा चालेल. दोघं सवय लागली. त्याला ते आठवतं. बरोबर दुसरा वापरायचा.
Ma'am, I think Darshani is
दर्शनी अनम्यूट हो जाओ, म्यूट हो जाओ. दर्शनी म्यूट योरसेल्फ. गई क्या आवाज? I'm not able to see Darshani. Yes. Now it's okay. Huh.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you see? Huh. So see, we have to reach this result. Okay, this is f of x plus h into delta gx. And delta gx is what? Delta gx is nothing but g of x plus h minus gx, है ना? Right? G of x plus h minus gx. Yes or no? So we have girls, do you hear me? Yeah, do you hear me, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So see, I was saying that we want this f of x plus h into delta gx. Forget about the second term now. F of x plus h into delta g of x, what it is? If I write the equivalent statement of this is f of x plus h into bracket क्या आना चाहिए? g of x plus h minus gx, right? Are you getting it? Are you getting this? I'm just substituting delta gx. Girls, do you hear
Yes,
me?
ma'am.
हाँ. So response दो ना रे, कैसे समझेगा मुझे? I'm sharing the screen, I'm not seeing you. You need to respond me. Delta gx is g of x plus h minus gx, and we have this term with us, right? हमारे पास ये है f of x plus h. यहाँ पे देखो, we have f of x plus h into g of x plus h. What we don't have is what? हमारे पास क्या नहीं है? ये प्रोडक्ट नहीं है ना? See, do we have this product? F of x plus h into gx. Do you have this?
No, ma'am.
No. And here also in this term, if you see, if you add and subtract this product f of x plus h minus gx, then gx you can take common and you can have f of x plus h minus fx. So what we will do is we will add and subtract. We will add and subtract that particular term. Okay, f of x plus h into g of x plus h minus f of x plus h into gx. This term I am going to add and subtract. So next I am adding it as if it is not there. So these adjustments in mathematics are always allowed. Okay, so ये एक term हो गई मेरी, and this is another term. हो गया लिख के सबका? Are you writing it simultaneously?
Yes, ma'am.
अरे कितनी बार मैंने बताना है आपको, ये इंस्ट्रक्शन आपको लिखना है ये. I am getting video of this, but unfortunately in video if you don't get the screen, if only my
Ma'am, we are writing.
you have to write it. आपका होने के बाद बोलो. हो गया? Finished?
Yes, ma'am. अरे yeah. So delta f of x, capital F of x आप देखो हाँ क्या था वो. So it is, or I will just erase it. I will just rewrite it as delta of in the bracket f of x into g of x is equal to, कहाँ थे हम? Now go to this page. Okay, see,
So from the first bracket, what can you take common from the first bracket? F of x plus h, g of x plus h minus f of x plus h into gx. What can you take common from the first bracket?
fx plus h.
Yes,
F of x plus
you
h.
will have. And from the second bracket, what can you take common?
G of x.
G of x, correct, absolutely. So now I am taking f of x plus h common. Inside I have g of x plus h minus g of x, right? Plus I'm taking g of x common from the second bracket, and inside I have f of x plus h minus f of x, right? And so this is equal to f of x plus h into what? Into what?
Delta G of x.
Into delta
Delta G of
g of x plus g of x into delta.
delta f of x.
Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the formula. So this works similar to that of differential operator. Okay. Yeah. Now your homework. What is the homework? Prove that delta operated on the rational function, okay, fx divided by gx on the quotient is equal to gx into delta fx minus fx into delta gx, and the whole thing divided by g of x plus h into g of x. So what is quotient rule of derivatives? What is quotient rule of derivatives? Anyone can tell me? Girls, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Very typical girls answer me always. हाँ? सब लोग लिख रहे हैं क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So we will have example of this, okay? Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
So now let us see some problems, okay? Examples which we can do using operators, okay? Problems on delta and del. So suppose first one, delta square applied on sin x. So first of all, you have to write what is delta square. Delta square is delta applied on delta, right? So what is delta sin x? Can anyone tell me what is delta sin x?
Sin x plus h minus sin x.
Sin x plus h minus sin x. Correct. So this is distributive. So we will write delta sine of x plus h minus delta applied on sin x. So what is delta applied on sin x plus h? Sine of
Sin x plus 2h minus sin x plus h.
So you can either keep it in that form, x plus 2h minus sine of x plus h. Okay, this is in one bracket. This is delta sine of x plus h minus delta sine x is again sine of x plus h minus sine x. Right? So it is nothing but sine of x plus 2h minus 2 times sine of x plus h minus sin x.
Plus sin x, no?
Sorry, plus sin x. Sorry. Tell me after you finish it, girls. So you can be given h value in certain problems, okay? Assuming h equal to 1, find out, say अभी हम next example लेते हैं. Suppose del लेती हूँ मैं, del applied on 4x cube, okay? And take h is equal to 1. Take h value is 1. So what will be del 4x cube? Del 4x cube क्या होगा? What would be del 4x cube? It will be 4 into
4x x plus h minus 4x cube.
Yes, 4 is constant, so that you can take outside. And now inside you are asked to take h is equal to 1. So it will be x plus 1 the whole cube minus x cube. Right? Now you can expand it. So what is x plus 1 cube? Somebody except Vipashini tell. What is x plus 1 cube? The whole cube. What is x plus 1 cube? Do I have to take the names? Then only you will answer. Dipti Rathod, are you there? Dipti Rathod. Dipti Rathod, are you there in the class? I am going to put your absentee. Okay? If you don't answer me when I ask, you are absent in my lecture. Gayatri Pujari. Gayatri Pujari. Do you hear me, girls? Devashri, do you hear me? गायत्री मैसेज काय करते? आंसर करा ना. Can't you unmute yourself and answer my question? What is x plus 1 the whole cube? What is x plus 1 the whole cube? Yes, Gayatri, I can hear you.
X cube plus 3x square 3x square
गायत्रीचा आवाज आहे. व्हिडिओ ऑन कर तुझा.
plus 3.
गायत्री व्हिडिओ ऑन कर.
Yes, ma'am.
हा तुझा आवाज आहे गायत्री. आत्ता कोणीतरी वेगळंच बोलतंय.
Sorry, ma'am.
Who is speaking?
Riddhi, sorry, ma'am.
I can recognize everyone's voice. Gayatri, I'm taking your name. You have to speak.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know what is a plus b cube, Gayatri?
Ma'am, a cube plus 3ab plus b cube.
बस झालं. A cube plus 3ab plus b cube. Is it the formula? Here I am supposed to show you the formula, right? You are in SY BSc and I am supposed to show you this formula, right? You don't study anything. You don't try to recall anything, okay? This is the formula of a plus b the whole cube. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
The final answer, this x cube will get cancelled and it is this much. Okay. So this is how one can find out del. You can find out del square, del cube and so on. Copy it now as usual, all of you. कॉपी मास्टर हो आप सब लोग, बाकी कुछ नहीं है. ये सब रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है, देखो वीडियो में मैं जो बोल रही हूँ. I can recognize everyone's voice and I can see here who is speaking. Everything is visible. I'm the host, right? कॉपी होने के बाद बोलो चलो. Now 5 minutes are left now for the lecture to finish. So I am stopping sharing now, okay? 5 मिनट में मीटिंग खत्म हो रही है. I want to quickly take the attendance. Yes. All of you put on your video. मैं जिनके नाम ले रही हूँ उनका मुझे ना दिखना चाहिए वीडियो इमीडिएटली. यस. गायत्री पुजारी. रोल नंबर बोलो अपना. रोल नंबर बोलो. Gayatri, unmute yourself. How can I hear you?
Ma'am, I have unmuted myself.
बोल ना माँ, रोल नंबर सांग ना.
15. 15.
5515 ना.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, Kavya.
35.
Huh?
35. 54135.
Aditi Mahale. I cannot hear. Aditi. Akshada Tupe. Akshada Tupe. Fatafat.
31, ma'am.
31. Anushka Kopala. Anusha.
Ma'am, 24.
Avantika. 39. Bhagyashri Khandwe.
Yes.
73.
Dipashini.
34.
Devashri. 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 Huh? 50. सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है.
50 इतना roll number. 50.
What? 50. Okay. भाग्यश्री खांडवे.
73.
तर तू कधीचा रोल नंबर सांगते? Number you are telling me, first year roll numbers you are telling me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. आता roll numbers
Yes,
मला कुठले असतील?
Ma'am, we didn't get the new roll numbers.
So when you were supposed to tell me this thing? और जो मैंने एग्जाम लिया वो कौन से रोल नंबर से दिया आपने?
FY.
FY.
Very good, very good. Very good girls. When you are going to get your roll numbers?
Don't know, ma'am.
Ma'am, don't know.
You must not have inquired it, है ना? Madam will inquire and tell you, right?
Ma'am, actually, but she was like, you will get the roll numbers afterwards.